All right, we're at Harris Teeter in Norfolk, Virginia.
Harris Teeter, Norfolk. Go ahead and call it up. We got something generic with, well, it looks like a glass elevator.
This is a fail.
Yeah, this is a giant fail elevator. Look at this. Look at the arrows on the side, too. Like there's two smaller arrows.
This is a holeless.
It is? It's holeless?
There's 4 panels.
4 panels, so you don't have to worry about buttons.
No.
Let's get in the dark elevator. Go ahead and send it up to in.
Door close button does not work.
I can't believe how it's so dark in here too, and it could have easily been made glass.
I know.
Oh, look at now listen to this motor.
Telescoping holeless hydraulic.
Really?
Yep.
Where's the
I'll hold
piston?
the door open if y'all want to go look at the jacks.
All right, go ahead and send
I'll
it.
go down and come back up.
Oh yeah, there's the jacks right there. Yeah, telescoping.
What brand this is?
I don't know. But there is another elevator if you want to go look at it.
I'll make a separate video of that.